Ebencuts. Ebencuts is a product name for our creativity support tools for the purpose of beautification, learning, reinforcement, and art integration. It is predominantly a resource out of the indigenous use of materials available to everyone with easy-to-use approaches. Our product line include Ebencut classroom banners, Ebencut display boards, Ebencut instructive display boards, Ebencut motivational display boards, Ebencut classroom mobile, and Ebencut window stickers. Our objectives are to standardize quality across schools, boost professionalism, raise the impact level in the classroom, promote culture and the practice of creativity in our schools, and to complement and reinforce learning. The benefits of our services: quick use, ease of installation, our services are user-friendly, there's direct integration, leverage of options, and our services are quality at affordable rates. We also deliver nationwide. Because it's difficult, if not impossible, to separate design from the learning environment, you can use our products to support pupils' thinking, imagination, and learning development. You can also use our products to offer an excellent first impression and to create an environment that serves as a learning tool.